Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to ace your section C of the database question. So I opened the question paper here. It's 2018 paper 2. If you can see 2018 paper 2 right here. So I'm going to show you 5A item 1. Create a table called student with the following details here. 40 marks. It's worth 40 marks. It's very easy with mysql. I'm going to show you that currently I don't have Microsoft, so I cannot run the code in Microsoft Access, but once you join it, you can run the code in Microsoft Access. So if you read your question exactly, it says using text editor or integrated development environment, write SQL statement to perform the following. So you are not mandated to use Microsoft Access. Okay, so I've opened my Microsoft workbench here, my SQL workbench. So right. Yeah, right. So I should have it here. Save it out so that each time I log in, I want to have to input the password. If you need the video on how to install MySQL Workbench, it means you can contact me. I'll leave my number in the description below. So what you need to do now is you click on which says create new schema in the connector step. Once you click there, then you create your schema. Just I'll name this tutorial. Then I'll say apply. That is when the magic happens. A code to create a schema is generated here. That is the code. Then say apply. Yeah, just say successfully. Then you go to your schemas. Then you go to your tutorial. Then you double click until it is bold. Then you go into create a table. Then you create the table. So if you look what we are going to do, so let me close this. Right, we're creating a new table. So I like it. Okay, so we can go back to the question. It says we need to create a table called students and yeah, students. Students and perfect. So this is what you use to if you want to create links on the tables and the likes and the likes and the likes and the likes and the like. So you have said create table. If you want the SQL statement to create table, click apply. Then a code is generated here. You see, this code is automatically generated. You don't need to create these things; they are generated for you. So you copy it. One thing I forgot: you should open your notepad to paste your codes if you want to try them in Microsoft Access later. Let's just say so we just open it, guys, leave it there. So I'll come back to my SQL. Yes, changes applied. I did not order changes applied. So you go to your tables. Okay, so now I'm going to insert the fields. So let me just bring this down here. Then you go ahead, column name. So the first column that we have here from the question paper is student ID. So I'll just type student ID. Then data type should be integer, and we're told that it should be a primary key first. Then we have let me check again. We have surname and surname set should be character, but it doesn't matter if it should be virtual or variable character. It's correct. Then it says here we have the first name, first name. Don't worry about the size, we'll change the size later for now. Then we'll go to class. I'll deal with the data types later. Then I have fees paid. Fees paid. Then I'm now going to the data types. Right. Here it was saying name should be size 20. Here should be size. Size 20. Sorry, I'm doing this in the night, guys, so I can't see properly. But yeah, I'll try. Class 2. Let me check the data type in class. Class character also. Character. Size. It's 2. But here it's saying this page should be number. So mysql has many data types, but for this one, integer is a number. Let's use the int data type. Let's see. So after I've done this, let's say apply. So it's to generate a code for that we are creating a table, students, with student ID int, not now, surname variable size 20, not now, first name 20, not now, class, whatever. Then a class will say primary key should be student ID. So if you are clever, you then copy this code, copy it. Then if you want to see that your code is correct, you say apply. If it says script was successfully applied to the database, means it's correct. Then you go to your notepad, you come here, and you paste it. Remove this schema here, because in Microsoft Access you have already created the database. You don't need to create it again and again. But in MySQL you have to do that again and again. But you need to remove that schemas. Then you leave create table students. That is the table that we can create. Right now, if you check again, if you want to run your table and see that it was successful, you go to your schemas here and see table. Then you click the third one here. It will run automatically. Here you see your table that you have created. You can choose now the form that you want them to be shown, the layout, whatever you want, whatever you see fit, whatever you see fit for you. After that, you take a screenshot here, or you run this code in Microsoft Access. It will run successfully this code. Okay. Let me do this question here. 583. I will leave this one. We have not yet reached here. It might be complicated for you if I show you. I'll go to 583i. Say delete a record whose first name is what they want you to do is you need to insert values first. If you're clever, you insert values first, your own values into that table, so that you may delete it. So what I want to inserting values by skill is very simple actually. That is what I wanted to show you again. Let's say my student ID should be 06, and my surname, let me use my name, my first name, my class, yeah, 6. Fees paid, the age of school, I can't remember how much you pay. Yeah, that's your bid. So you say apply. Then once again, a code is generated for you. If you generated for you. You copy that code again, and then you paste it in your notepad to document here. Don't forget to remove this schema here, because it will cause an syntax error. You see, insert into students, then you to name the fields, then the data that the values that need to go into those fields. If you want to see that your data is successful, you say apply. See, saying that there was an error while applying the script. There's an error while applying the script to the database. Data too long for column at class, or it was too long because we declared that it should be like size 4. I don't know, it should be size 4. So I need to change it and say upper 6. Say apply. Applied successfully. So I need to come back here, and I need to come back to my notepad here, reroute the data again, paste correct data again. Yeah, now you can see that, but now I want to delete that record here. You see, they say that delete a student whose first name is Rolf. First name is Rolf. So go to first name. Then I'll say I want to delete this row. So the delete rows here. So I click apply here. A code is generated. Say delete from student where student ID is equals to 6. But you know your question, what is saying your question. See, it's one the first name. So you go to your notepad here. By the time I'm doing this, you'll be super fast. Say remove the schema here again, as you see. Then you say where student ID, but you don't need a student ID. You need the first name. Then you type in first name is equals to Ralph. You've aced your exam. You've finished what you want. You don't need to create this thing. I don't think this need. So if you want a more detailed tutorial on how to use this mysql, I can do it. You can leave some comments in the video. Or if you want more about computer science, you can join my WhatsApp group. Sorry, I'm not good at English. You can join my WhatsApp group. I'm leaving the link in the description below. You can help each other. Thank you.